Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be introducing you to Facebook ad account. So everything that you need to know about Facebook ad account, I will be showing and teaching you in this series. If this video didn't cover all you want to know, you have the comment section to tell me other videos you would like me to make in this series. But don't forget that in this series, I'll be covering everything you need to know about Facebook ad account and the ad account setup. But in this video, I'll be focusing on the difference between Facebook personal ad account and Facebook business ad account. So when you finish creating your Facebook business page, Facebook assigns you a default ad account known as Facebook personal ad account. So, and that default personal ad account is called default because its CARICOM is embedded and tied to your Facebook account. Remember, just like you cannot create Facebook page without having a Facebook account, same way you will automatically have Facebook ad account tied to a Facebook page, business page, and that ad account will bear your Facebook profile name automatic. So you can't give it a unique name because it's a default and it carries the name of your Facebook profile. So, and that ad account, which is known as personal ad account or default ad account, it has a kind of limitation. So, and I'll be explaining everything about it in this video. Facebook business ad account and Facebook personal ad account. So, and I have written out something to make the learning smooth and easy to understand. Facebook default ad account versus created ad account. So the first thing is that when you create a new Facebook page, a default ad account is automatically created and is linked to that account. You have a limited control. This default ad account is tied to your personal Facebook profile, which means you have limited control over its settings and the management. The third one is basic features. It offers basic ad management features but lacks advanced tools and the customization options available just like you have it in the dedicated ad account. But if you have a created Facebook ad account or a business Facebook account, the one that you intentionally created for your business, you have a manual creation. So you create this ad account manually through Facebook Business Manager, and that's why this ad account is called business ad account or business manager ad account, because it can only be created inside business manager. And then it has enhanced control, just like on the other one that has limited control. This one have enhanced control. This ad account is separate from your personal account, and this is very, very good. Your business should always be separated from your business account should always be separated from your personal account. Just like it's advised that your business money should be separated from your personal money. Same thing is applicable here. Your business account, Facebook account or Facebook ad account should be separate from your personal Facebook ad account. So this account is separate from your personal account profile, giving you more control over its settings, over its permissions and management. Okay, some of us that are ad agency will want to manage people's business account, not their personal account. Okay, Valuevarcity Media Ad Agency wants to have access to your business manager account, not your personal account. So when you will see how important this video is when you reach out to me or to my company and you say that you would like my agency to manage your business, and then you now discover that the only way I can help you work on your ad account or run ad for you from my own end Maybe you are far away in Lagos or in Port Harcourt or in Abuja, and I'm right here in Uma here, and I'm supposed to work. My company is supposed to, my ad agency is supposed to work for your business, and then I will require you to send me your password, a password and your login details to your personal Facebook account, so that when I gain access to your Facebook account, I will be able to gain access to your Facebook page and access to your Facebook manager, and be able to run ad for you. So that is quite unprofessional, and most times I might not be able to be comfortable to do that. But if you have a Facebook business, business manager ad account, what you will do is that, because these features are there, these permissions are there, you have this management, you can easily, grant me permission to access your business manager from my account without me logging into your personal account. So that is it. Very, very important. That is under settings, permissions, and management, and that's not available on the personal or default ad account. So they still have this advanced feature which provides access to advanced ad management tools, detailed analytics, and other better targeting options. I'm sure by now you understand the difference between personal ad account and the business ad account, and why you need to create it ab initio. The day immediately you finish creating your new Facebook account, you are supposed to create ad account and create business account immediately. The reason is because most times, if you are using this default account to start running ads, maybe you have run ad for it for 6 months or 1 year, the algorithm might have mastered their audience in this new default ad account that is not advisable. And then when you now create this new one, that maybe you listen to my video and you now went and created this new business manager ad account, you will notice that the algorithm will still take another time again to master the audience and do what they call machine learning to learn the audience again, and that would take a lot of time and money. So it's important that when you create a Facebook business page, you go ahead and create the ad account, create business account, and then start all your work ab initio on the right place. And in that way, you will not have any problem. And even the issue of restriction of ad restriction, and a lot of people complain a lot about Facebook restricting their accounts, flagging them, and some of the accounts are limited, restricted, and all kinds of issues people have. I can tell you that 90% of those account restrictions are all connected to you are running a business on a personal account. When you are running a business on a personal account, there are even much more, because the policies and the rules that apply to this personal account cannot be the same that apply to business account. So I am advising you that you don't do business on a personal account. No, don't do business on a personal account, please. There are a lot of issues that can come with it. Now, separate your personal account from business. Keeping your personal and business activities separate ensures better organization and, most importantly, better security. So in summary, creating a new Facebook ad account can significantly enhance your advertising effort and provide you with the tools needed to run successful campaigns. Tools are very important in running campaigns. If you need me to help you set up a new business account, you can feel free to ask me any question that you want me to answer you. Is either you want me to make videos that can help you to set it up by yourself, or you reach me through my business email attached to this particular video or in my about on YouTube, or you in the comment section, or you reach out to me through WhatsApp or any means, any of our business outlets, for my company to manage your business, because this is what I promote. You can do it yourself if you don't have the budget. I mean, if you have a budget, you can reach out to me and I will take up the management of your entire business on Facebook. All right. So having said that, go ahead and watch the video again and understand the difference between personal Facebook ad account and the business manager Facebook ad account, and why you need to have it, especially from the beginning. And then go to the comment section and type Facebook ad account, and also let me know where you're watching from. And don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up if the video is helpful to you, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on notification bell icon so you'll be notified when I drop video. Don't forget that I'm making a video series on Facebook ad accounts and everything that you need to know about it. And let me know where you are watching from, and I will see you in the next video.